show you this old Viewmaster that I got. Now this right here is actually, it's not quite mine. It's actually my mom's. So I have to be really careful with this so I won't break it. But can you make a guess what's inside of here? All the reels. So let's open this up and then let me talk about it. So on the top it says GAF, which I don't know what that stands for, but it's still kind of cool. Viewmaster at the top, I don't know what that means, I can remember the toy. And one side is red, this is the side you're looking to, and this side is the one that would be facing the people seeing you. So right now, there's nothing really in there, so we might as well get started to putting in some discs. So here's what the packaging looks like. Can you see this, guys? Here's what the reel looks like, and let's talk about it. Special instructions. The pictures in this reel are made on full color Kodachrome film, and reasonable care should be exercised in handling. Do not touch the pictures with fingers. Clean with soft cloth or camel's hair brush. Do not store in hot place. Keep reel and carton when not in use. Look. Front it says, One Viewmaster reel. 7 more wonders of the world. 7 three-dimensional pictures in full color Kodachrome. So let's get started to check it out. So first you put the reel in the top, and let's look at it. Oh, it looks like a woman teed up there in the grass, maybe in a bride. Ooh, almost like exactly the picture you saw, except instead of a green uniform. A bunch of different guys there. He's probably with a band or something. It looks like another picture there. A bunch of guys riding on horses. And a lady. And then on a horse. I don't know if that's a woman or a man. And then we're back to the ground. So, like that. That's one. I'm gonna do another one for you guys, just for the heck of it. Just for you to get the idea. So, basically, the instructions are you take it out of the top, and then you put it in the Viewmaster in the top section. See what I'm doing here? Then you look in it. It looks like just like maybe a ride or something. A big town, but it's like in monochrome. It's like one certain color. This is for sure a town. It's lots of different colors. Looks like a little lady standing at a balcony of like a house or something. That looks like a town too. Ooh, that's pretty. Can you guys see this through the Viewmaster? If you guys can, that's so pretty. I'm gonna tell you what the skies is if you can't see it. It's a lake with trees in the background with a fence. Ooh, that's so pretty. Ooh, this is a gate. I want you guys to see this one too. Can you guys see it? I hope you can. Here we have is this a house? Is this a castle? What is that thing? I have no idea. Then we're back to the monochrome city house. Okay. And when you have the Viewmaster without no pictures in it, then it looks kind of plain. So I recommend that you really just, put it in. We have several reels in here. And by the way, these aren't quite mine. These are actually this is actually my mom's. So I have to be really careful with this or else I'm gonna break it. Let's put this one in here. If it'll fit, let's see. Oh, let me get back in. What? That's so silly. It looks like a lady's floating in the air with an umbrella. It looks like a woman and a man is reading a note or something. It looks like someone has a hat pull with one boy and one girl. Looks like a man is over by something, I can't really tell, with a boy and a girl. Looks like a man, and this really creepy children is hanging out by the fireplace. Looks like a bunch of people are hanging out at the top of a roof or something. Looks like a bunch of people are dancing. And then we're back to the really mysterious floating up in the air girl. So, how did you like that? Now, a few of these came in reels, and they not all. I'm just going to do one more for you guys. And it's going to be the one in the packaging. So let's get started. Looks like people are going fishing. And now they're going fishing here. Okay, finally a different one. Guys on a boat, and this looks like it's Captain Hook or something. And on the front is a pirate and a guy with gray hair. Looks like people in, I have no idea. It's like a normal house. I have no idea what this is. It doesn't say what the picture is about. Look how it normally does up here. This looks like a bunch of people and another guy's at the bottom of I have no idea. There's just like a wall at the bottom and all the other people are standing on top of it, but whereas one is just hanging out at the bottom. What I really like about Viewmasters, it's that you can look through these and you can pretend like you're at the place. Like you can pretend you're at the Grand Canyon. Guys on a boat again. And this looks like pirates in a cave. One doesn't really look like a pirate. He looks like a normal, innocent little boy. But the guy on the other